Hand in that big old mouth, boy. Son.
So in today's video, guys, I went out on the lake and I was out there for probably 5 or 10 minutes, and this really nasty storm blew in. It started to lightning and pour down rain, and the wind really kicked up. So I went back to shore and waited it out in my truck for an hour or so, and the lightning let up. So I went back out, but it was still raining really hard and very windy, so the sound quality wasn't very good in the video. So if you'll bear with me, I'm going to do some commentary and really kind of break down what I was doing out there and let you guys know what all was going on. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I was fishing main lake points in 15 to 20 feet of water. The bass seemed to be stacked up on top of the points in the 15-foot depth range. So that's what I was targeting with a half-ounce green pumpkin football jig with a crawl trailer, and I hope you guys enjoy. Nice bass. It's probably about 4 or 5 pounds. The camera was off, the battery died. But another nice bass on a point. Okay guys, that was just 3 casts in a row that I've caught fish. On top of a big school of them right now. Whenever you get one to bite, keep casting in there. A lot of times that first one you get to bite will fire up the school. So don't waste a lot of time taking your fish off and messing around with it. Just hurry and throw it back in and get back out there so you can catch another one while they're fired up. So I don't know how well you could hear in that last clip, but I just caught 3 fish and 3 casts, and that's very typical of this summertime offshore schooling bass fishing. A lot of times you'll catch that first fish and it'll really fire up the school and they'll start feeding. So when you catch one, you want to hurry and get it off your hook and throw it back in the water and get your bait back out there while those fish are fired up. You don't want to take a lot of time taking pictures and, you know, hoorahing, and you want to get your bait back in the water and catch as many fish as you can while they're fired up like that. In this next clip, I want you to notice how I'm kind of on point before I set the hook. A lot of times when you're fishing this stuff, you're going to get your bites when your bait runs into rocks or laydowns and stuff like that. When I fish my football jigs, I like to drag it along the bottom and not hop it up and down. That works fine, but I prefer to drag it because it keeps my bait in contact with the bottom all the time, and it really gives you a feel so you can tell when you get to those sweet spots on the points or humps or ledges and stuff like that. big ones are stacked on this point today. For a little while. Just like that. Video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned a lot. I really enjoy this offshore fishing, and I'm coming out with a video in the next couple weeks where I'm going to break down how you actually fish offshore and find spots. I know there's a lot of videos out there of people kind of telling you how to catch the fish offshore, but they don't tell you how to find the spot. So I'm going to do a video from start to finish on how you look at your map and find the spots that you think are going to be good, how to break them down, and ultimately how to catch those fish. So stay tuned for that. That's coming up in the next couple weeks. Thank you guys for watching and for your support. Subscribe and be ready for the next one.